Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online. To know this, stay with me. Okay, I will go to Google and search for adfly.com. Here we have the first link, adfly. Click on this link and now we are on the main page of adfly website. Here are some information about it. You can join now, it's for free. Here are some information about it, links. Click today by adfly, made by adfly, over 2 million links. Use adfly to earn money, above 5 million people using this website. So you can start from here, join now, it's for free, but I have an account. I will start from login. Okay. With my email. And my password. Login. Here we are, and now I am on my page. This is my dashboard. Here is my name. I can go to my account and I can upload my image and fill some required fields. Here we will use this area to shrink links. After a while I will show you how I will do this. Here is my dashboard. I made my account before 2 months, so my total view is 30. People clicked on my link made by adfly and I earned about 20 cents. So it's a very good money, 20 cents for 30 view, and this is also based on CPM on my country. Maybe in your country adfly will pay more. Okay, so it depends on each individual countries around the world. Here are the details, how many people clicked on your link, and here are your link clicked by people. Here you will get total views, total earned money, and many other informations. Okay, you can use referrals, which mean you can suggest adfly to your friend, and if they use your link to make account on adfly, and this will make you to gain about 25% of what they gain. Okay, so like you will be a partner with them, which is also a good thing. We have to try this one also. So now I will show you how I will do this. It's quite easy. For example, here we have this YouTube video. Now I will click on the URL and I will copy it back to adfly, paste it here in this area, and see the link is long. Now I will click on shrink. Here my new link is generated by adfly. You will just hit copy and your shrink link is copied. Now you can send it to your friends, to people who are interested, or you can post it on your website or anywhere people can reach it and click it, and this will make you to earn money. Fine. Now but we have only like one problem. Facebook, Instagram don't accept adfly shorten link. So I found a way for you to get rid of this problem, which is bitly.com. You will first make links using adfly, then you will go to bitly.com and you will make a free account there, and it's easy. Just you will go to your dashboard, and here this area it says create. You will go down to create links. This window will pop up. The extension will be .bitly, and you will paste your shrinked link from adfly here, this one. Okay, now you will just hit create, and that's it. Okay, and your link will be created, and it will come to this area, so you can highlight it and copy it. Then you can go to Facebook and paste this link there, so people can reach it and click on it. In this way you can earn money. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you can earn money. Thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss any of this, make sure to activate the notification bell below, and see you in next tutorials.